As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin give us another green candle. Also we enter a long swing trade in. We take from it some profit because that was also our view, because in smaller time frames we're breaking the downtrend here. Let's see what's going to happen. Plus even here, market try to give us here a double bottom guys, as you see it here. Let's see if we are going to break it here in daily. That means the Bitcoin is going to go back above. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, the Bitcoin that just a correction above and is going to give us here a big head and shoulder like that. It's going to fall down from here. Even that one, it's still playing. In today's video, we're going to show you even the on-chain guys. So make sure to watch that video without skipping, my friend. Yes, my friend, because a lot of you, they don't finish in the video and you're missing a lot of information in that video. So make sure to watch the video till the end. By the way, guys, before I continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes. Yes, my friend, and no majority of you, they don't smash in the like button. Yesterday video, 600 views, only 70 likes. Please, my friend, it will not take you that much. Just 1 second from your time, smash the like button if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also today we enter along a swing trading. We're still holding it, guys. We enter one in the XRP and one in the Bitcoin. Me, I'm very transparent with you. Now, if you want to join us and you want to make money with us, like how majority of people that are with us, they're making money, you can click at the link which is down in the description of that video, and in the first comment, the link of our Patreon is going to land you here. Click at join, that one here or that one here. If you see the 25 bucks, that means it's not applicable to you. That VAT or tax sales. Click at join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me either here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links are down and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the Bitcoin here, he tried to give us now a uptrend. If we came to that low here and that one here, we got here now a uptrend. And that uptrend, if we came and we add to it those ones like that, we got here a up channel, guys. We touch the lower of it here. Let's see if the Bitcoin from here going to go to touch the top of that up channel. You remember what me I tell you, 127k, that's my target. Then we're going to see what's going to happen. Yes, we got a lot of things. We're going to show it to you tomorrow in the weekly candle when it's closed. And that's why us every time we told you to subscribe and turn the bell notification, because guys, based on the data, majority of you, they haven't turned in on the bell notification on all. So make sure to turn it. If it's not, do it again. Make it to all to get to be notified when also we put in a new video. That is up to you, my friend. Now, what is it the view I told you? There is one of two. Either from here, we are going to go more higher. That number one scenario. Second scenario, that one here, it's still playing, guys. You remember it? Also, we show it to you when majority of people, they're telling you Bitcoin is going to dump. So we show you that one and we put it like that. It was in the thumbnail of a video. We do it like that. That one here, it's breaking, guys. That telling us also we are going back to touch the top of that megaphone. That the only things we got here. No, we got another thing here. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys, here in daily. Look at it. We touch here the 50 moving average, very clear. Now we go back to touch that 20 moving average. We got a lot of stop losses here above the 20 moving average. Let's see if the Bitcoin going to touch them, guys, today or after tomorrow when the market open. Let's see what's going to happen. But guys, you need to focus about that volume profile zone here. Is a very stronger zone. Plus even base here, all levels here. As you see, guys, that zone here is very stronger. So you need to be careful. And even here, the 20 moving average is very stronger. The level or the zone 106k or 106,511. That zone, you need to focus about it. What the Bitcoin going to do here. If it give you here a pin bar or a candle here indicating the market is going to dump, we are going to go back to test that 50 moving average, guys. And you need to be careful about those things, what I'm telling you. I think I explained everything. We got something else here in daily. Let me show it to you. That one here, we show it to you. We told you we touch here. Let's see if is it the Bitcoin from here going to go back above. Even that one is possible. So I think I explained everything because majority of you are complaining because my videos, they are too long. Now let's go into see the on-chain analysis, guys, what the Bitcoin going to do for today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. We started by the first indicator. That one also being followed for long here in that channel. You remember, guys, what else we told you? We told you, look at the color here. It started getting changed into yellow. And when the color changed into yellow, guys, that indicating the top is very close, guys. So you need to be careful. It needs to be very clear yellow like that, but that a warning sign. You are close to the top of this cycle. You need to be careful, my friend. We don't know how far it can go higher, but you need to be careful. The top of the cycle is very very close. We got it here in a white background. Let me show it to you. Here it is, guys. Here in the white background, the color here, it started changing from yellow to green, guys, as if also we are here exactly in those zones here. You see it, guys? The color should also close our long. Not yet, guys. Till the color become green like that. Yes, the color now it started changing here to green, but we need to be careful about the coming days. That telling also one thing. Also, we are very close to the top, guys. Look at it here. If I came and I zoom it here like that, you see it here? The color it started changing to green. And no, maybe you will not see it, but the color started changing to green, guys, as if also we are here in that zone here in the past. So you need to be careful. Did Bitcoin going to touch the top of stock flow? Maybe, guys, because me personally, I'm still thinking we are going to touch it, but based on the stock flow, the top here is at 350k. Based on that volume Bitcoin got, it's too hard to touch it this cycle. Let's wait and see what's going to happen in the coming days. We got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. That one here, we showed it to you before, guys. We told you Bitcoin hasn't top up yet based on the previous cycles. That one here, all the previous cycles, all those indicators they given us, the color change here. Did we got something here? Not yet, guys. So based on that indicator here, we haven't touched the top. That one is not only one indicator. There are a lot of indicators combined together, guys. So you need to be careful about those things, what I'm telling you. It's not yet the top based on chain analysis, guys. We got something else here. That one here, if we calculate in the previous cycle, when the color become green here, as you see it, guys, also we got here a green color here, and we got a bearish divergence, guys. That a bearish divergence here, as you see it here, same like how it happened here. You see it here, that a bearish divergence. It's happened in all the cycles, guys. So we need to be careful about those things, what else we talking about. Shall we enter a short now? I will not tell you 100%, but you need to be careful. If you want exactly when also we're going to enter a short based on long term, you can join our VIP Discord if you are interested, of course. We got something else here in on-chain analysis, guys. Let me show it to you, which is that one here. Today we changed it a little bit compared to the previous ones. What else we said? We said we need to touch that green line here. That where it is, guys, here. Based on that one here, is it at 123k? The top one is it at 130k? Me personally, I'm still waiting the touch here exactly here at 127k. Then also we're going to see what's going to happen, because as you see it, guys, every time he's doing the same thing. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming days or coming hours. Everything can be possible, guys. Maybe we're going to see a huge volume and we're going to see that Bitcoin pumping to 127k. So also we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. So based on fundamental, guys, or on-chain analysis, what that telling us? It's telling us the top is very, very close, guys. It doesn't left for it a lot of room, as you see the Bitcoin here and that one here. So it doesn't left for it a lot of room. So you need to be careful about those things. I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see Bitcoin doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here in 12 hours, we got the 50 moving average. As you see it, guys, we bounced from it before. Now we touch it here again. There is no volume to break it today. Let's see if we are going to break it and we're going to go back to the top here. That number one scenario, because if we break in that 50 moving average, it's going to break for us that big double bottom here. That number one scenario. Second scenario, we got a very stronger zone here. So you need to be careful, guys. Maybe even from here to hit just the stop losses here, then after to dump. Even that one, it's possible. Also, we show you how to catch the long, how to catch the short. The levels, you need to look close at them today. Let me show it to you. Same levels, guys. We got that level here, 108, 570. That zone here, 102, 603. And that one down here, 98, 840. Those ones, the three levels, you need to look at them for today. Which one is going to be hit? Even that 50 moving average is a very stronger zone here in 12 hours, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see Bitcoin doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. That's the double bottom here, as you see it here. That one here is a big double bottom. If we come and we break it here, we're going to see the Bitcoin pumping again. Like how we breaking that one down here, we fall down till down here. Same thing now. If we breaking that one here, we are going to pump and we're breaking even that last high here. We show you here in the past videos that down channel here or flag or whatever, name it whatever you want, guys. As you see it, that one here is getting broke here. That's what it's telling us. We bring in that stick here, that one here, and we do it exactly like that. It's telling us the Bitcoin is going back to touch here that 111k. Then also we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days or coming hours. Also we enter a long from here. Now is it a nice profit, guys? We're still waiting it to go more higher. That's what what we doing every time, that the only things we got here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. No, my friend, we got something else. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys, here. Bitcoin, it's breaking back that 200 moving average here. Now the next zone is it here, that 100 moving average, which is exactly at 106,503. And also we're going to see if we break it, that means we are going back to 111k. That number one scenario. Me personally, I'm thinking we are going back 100%. Yes, maybe in smaller time frames we can make another correction like that, then after to pump, because there is no volume now. So everything is possible, guys. So us, we're still waiting what's going to happen here. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, as you see, it's enter again to a zone where is the bulls they're controlling. You remember that downtrend here, so we used to show you here. We told you it's getting broke here. Then it's breaking even that one here. That way also we enter that long. Now what is it? The view we wait in that one till it came to touch for us extreme overbought area at the right time for us to take profit. Exactly for those was the enter from here. Also we enter late a little bit, but we enter the safest way yet. Also we enter along as day trading from here. But for swing trading is a different approach, my friend. If you want exactly when also we enter, we're reporting stop lose, we're reporting take profit, we told you what to do, but it's up to you. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, we got a lot of things here. We got a head and shoulder. That the first thing, guys. That one here. Exactly that one here. As you see it, that one here is a head and shoulder, guys. And not a lot of people are saying bad words about that. It's getting broke here. Let's see if it's going to go back more higher or no. The other thing you can make here, you can come to the tails of those candles and do something like that. And here like that, a smaller wage. You wait it if it's getting broke, that's more long. If it's getting broke here, you can catch a shot. That's possible, guys. That the only things we got here? No, look at it, guys, here. Look at that zone here. You see that zone here? How many times it's been touched? A lot of times here. And now we go back to test it here. Let's see if the Bitcoin from here going to fall down or to break here. That meant to go more higher. We got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show you in our indicator. Based on our indicator, guys, here we got a bearish divergence as you see it here. Shall we enter a short based on that bearish divergence? Not yet. Me personally, I'm not going to enter unless that indicator of us enter to a zone where is the bears they control, because also we staying here only in a zone where is only bulls they control. So there is nothing changed, guys. Just wait till the right time. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see the Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, what they're doing today, and make sure to watch them, guys. Don't skip, please. Make sure to watch other cryptocurrencies. Now let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys. Here in the Ethereum, same thing. There is nothing changed here. We still have here the distribution zone here. Actually, the Ethereum, we haven't entered it because it's still sideways here. There is nothing new here. So also, we still waiting what's going to happen. We show you, if you remember what also we show you here. We told you we got here that down channel like that. We touched a lot of it here. Maybe we are going back to touch the top here, then after to dump. Even that one, it's possible, guys. So you need to be careful which direction we're going to catch. You can even come and do something like that, like a wage here. Even that one is possible, guys. A lot of price actions here. So you need to wait which direction the Ethereum going to catch. We got something else here in the Ethereum. Let me show it to you in daily. Here we are in the Ethereum in daily, guys. The Ethereum here, as you see it bounced here from the 200 moving average. Now it came back, it touched here the 20 moving average. Shall we enter along? Me personally, I'm still waiting if we're going to push this time and to break that 200 moving average, because now it's getting very weak, guys. Look how many times we touch it, 4 times. Now let's see if it's the 5th time we're going to break it and we're going to bounce more higher. That's going to be very good for Ethereum. For short, same thing, guys. You can even come and do something like that now, like a pin out here in daily. We show you even that one before. So all those price actions, you need to focus on them. Where is that Ethereum going? Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying today here in Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, in the Ethereum, we still have here the downtrend here. We need to break it for us to consider into enter along. Till now we haven't, and our indicator is just touching that wall here. Let's see which direction is going to catch from the coming hours. So I think I explained everything. Now it's going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Sol, guys, or Solana, same thing. That one, even that one, we're still in a downtrend here. Nothing was changed, as you see, guys. We haven't broken above here for us to consider into enter along. So as we still waiting what's going to happen here in the Sol, it's need at least to break here for us thinking of to enter along. Zone, we touched a very stronger zone here, as you see it, at $142. Let's see now, because now it's look like we are going back to touch it. Let's see if we're going to touch it then after to pump. That number one scenario, second scenario is going to fall down and to break it and to give us another low compared to the previous low, because if you're looking with me, low, high, low, high, low, high, if it gives us another low here, we're still in a downtrend, so everything is in front of you guys. We got something else here in the SOL. Let me show it to you. SOL here, guys, it touched the 100 moving average here, plus that very stronger volume profile here. Let's see now if the SOL going to dump again, or from here at the bottom and it's going to pump again. So as we still waiting what's going to happen here in the SOL in the coming hours, we show you even that cup and handle here. Let's see if the SOL going to give us here a big head and shoulder like that. Even that one is possible, guys, so you need to be careful about the SOL. Exactly what's going to happen here if the 20 moving average going to break below the 50. I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the SOL. Our indicator, guys, in the SOL, we're still in a downtrend here. You see it, guys, we're still in a sharp downtrend. We touch it here. Let's see if that one going to fall down to test the divergence of trend as we show you before that one here. Let's see if we're going to touch it here then after to pump. Even that one is possible, guys, because we got here a bullish divergence in the SOL in 4 hours. But the bad news still now as we still only in a zone where is the bears they controlling. It might even that bearish divergence like how we used to have one here, you remember it, guys, but couldn't dump the SOL. Let's see now what that one here going to do. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see the XRP or Ripple what it's doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the XRP, guys. The XRP, guys, we still have here the downtrend here, that one here, or the down channel like that. Also, we still waiting it. Also, we enter a long from here based on another factor, guys, because that one here, let me show it to you. Because if you see with me here, if you came to those ones here, we got here a downtrend like that, and the downtrend here is getting broke. We enter that long here. Now it looks like it's going to give us a better entry. That's what us we doing every time. When it's the correction, we add to our long. Let's see if even that one going to happen. Also, we don't lose, guys, exactly in the XRP, SOL, Ethereum, Bitcoin. If you want even you to make money with us, I'm talking here about swing trading. Day trading, you need to know what you're doing based on money management, guys, or risk management. Based on swing trading, is it like mid-term trades, but you need to have big capital. You are not going to enter to swing trade with us by $100 and you're thinking of that $100 is going to turn it to $1 million. That's not going to happen, my friend. So everything based on your capital. So if you are interested, you can join us because us swing trading, we don't enter with big orders and we don't using high leverage like X20 or something. Us, we're using the maximum X5, guys. So if you want to make money with us in swing trading, exactly in the XRP, SOL, Ethereum, you can join us. The link of our Patreon is it down in the description of that video. We got something else here in the SOL. Let me show it to you. Here the XRP, guys, in daily we still have here that one here. That one is going to tell us if that XRP going to pump or no, guys. Plus we got here a head and shoulder. Even that one we showed it to you before, that the head and shoulder, guys, in daily here in the XRP. Let's say if the XRP breaking here, that man we are going to catch a short. Us personally we're thinking of the XRP going to come back to touch for us that 100 moving average, even till 200 moving average. Then also we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days or coming hours. If it's going to reverse on us, also we know how to manage it, how to come out from those trades. That our job, guys. If you want to join us, we told you what to do. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in XRP. Our indicator, guys, actually is it in a zone where there is no trading. You remember what else we show you here? We told you, guys, we got here the downtrend here is getting broke here. It came back and tested here, and now our view is going to come back to touch for us extreme overbought area, and that's what also we doing every time, guys. That way also we doing simplicity. We don't using fancy indicators or something, just very simple price action, and like that's how we're making money. If you want even you to join us, we told you what to do. You don't want, my friend, it's up to you. Only our analysis is going to teach you a lot of things. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, and if it's possible, share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.